Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
The great sage Maitreya said, "My dear Vidur, thereafter Dhruva Maharaj married the daughter of Prajapati Shishumara, whose name was Brahmi, and 2 sons named Kalpa and Vatsara were born of her. It appears that Dhruva Maharaj married after being installed on the throne of his father and after the departure of his father to the forest for self-realization. It is very important to note in this connection that since Maharaj Uttanpad was greatly affectionate towards his son, and since it is the duty of a father to get his sons and daughters married as quickly as possible, why did he not get his son married before he left home? The answer is that Maharaj Uttanpad was a Rajrishi, saintly king. Although he was busy in his political affairs and duties of government management, he was very anxious for self-realization. Therefore, as soon as his son Dhruva Maharaj was quite worthy to take charge of the government, he took this opportunity to leave home, just like his son who, without fear, left home for self-realization, even at the age of 5 years. These are rare instances from which we can see that the importance of spiritual realization is above all other important work. Maharaj Uttanpad knew very well that to get his son Dhruva Maharaj married was not so important, that it should take preference to his going away to the forest for self-realization.